Hello, Zippo World. It's Mr. Zippo once again. There's been a lot of, for some reason, fascination, I call it, with Marlboro and Zippo lighters. I don't quite understand it. I don't know if there's just that many people who smoke Marlboro cigarettes or it's just a Texas thing with the cowboy. I'm not sure. But I'm going to go over a couple different images of Zippo lighters that have the Marlboro theme. Here's one from 2001. It's got the Marlboro moon over the mountains. Look like there might be some snow on them, I don't know. This particular lighter, factory sealed. So this has been sent back to the factory, Zippo factory repair on Zippo Lane in Bradford, Pennsylvania, United States of America. And whatever it needed, mostly, 90% of the time they completely replaced the insert. And unless it's just like perfect, but you always, repair the hinge, make sure it closes properly. This is from 2001. What a movie, 2001 Space Odyssey. So there it is. There's one example of a Marlboro theme Zippo lighter. Like I say, I have hundreds and hundreds of Zippo lighters in my collection on eBay at Christos G510, CHRISTOS G510, Army Navy. So next up, here's another example of the Marlboro moon, so to speak, but it's kind of a lighter, more of a light charcoal gray. Whoop. There goes. And this is another one that has been repaired at the factory. It's still going to have, scratches and normal wear on the outside. But, when you get one of these back from the factory, and if you want to use it as a functional lighter, it's ready to go. It's ready to go. And this one here is the Millennium. So you can see on the bottom there, it actually says 2000 plus the XVI. So this is the Millennium, the year 2000. It's a nice thing to have. Remember, in the turn of the century, the Millennium, year 2000. Seems like a long time ago, but so that's a beauty. And it actually has, this might be, yep, it's got the Zippo box, made in USA. Got all the warranty information in there. It's got the lid. Box looks like it's in pretty good shape. I don't see any imperfections. No barcode or anything, but that's a nice keepsake. Year 2000, Marlboro. Okay. Yep, H2000. Now this is one that for the longest time I couldn't figure out what this was all about. But this is another Marlboro. It's a supposedly a guitar with the pick. It's worn. Another factory refurbished. So this one is from 2008. J 2008. Zippo lighter. It's a nice lighter. It's different. Represents the Marlboro brand. It is. At first, when I first got, I got a couple of these, and they all look like they're worn like that, and I'm pretty sure that's just the way they come. It looks kind of a, you know, antique-y type of thing. So, Marlboro. And here is another one. This is the Marlboro Cowboy. And this is in Matte, M-A-T-T-E. And see if the light is just right. It looks like XI on the bottom. I can't be 100% sure, so it's X something. So this could be 1995, and it's the Marlboro Cowboy. Actually says Marlboro. It's got him. You can see that. Looks pretty good. Yeah. But Matte, the bottoms are awful hard to read. I can see the Zippo. I can see an, pretty sure it's XI. Hard to say, but factory refurbished. So it's ready to go. I never open one of these when I get them back because there's no need to, you know. So it's a nice little Matte Marlboro. And like I said, I think that's 1995, but I can't be sure. And here's another one. And just like the guitar thing, I couldn't relate to Marlboro. So this one is 1997, XIII, 1997, and it's a Compass, but it's the Marlboro brand Compass. If anybody out there has more information on why and am I correct, let's open this up. Oh, looks pretty nice inside. Closes really nice. Sounds just right. Do you see that? Yep, it's got a new flint in it. I'm not going to lie. So there was 5 examples of Marlboro. I do have one at the repair shop that there's a brass with the Marlboro Cowboy on the front, but it was missing the top part of the Cowboy. So be interesting to see if I'm supposedly supposed to get that back in the mail today. I got 40 coming back from factory repair. And you know, a few months back when COVID first started and everything shut down, it was 2 to 3 months for any kind of repair coming out of the Zippo, because I think they were just completely shut down. Now it's down to about a month, which is pretty close to normal. So like I said, it'd be interesting to see. I had a Navy ship that was missing the lid entirely, and I told the people at Zippo that it fell off into the lake. There's nothing I could do. They matched it pretty good. I'm really proud of Zippo Repair. They are the best. I have sent, and over the years I've sent a couple hundred, maybe 1,000 lighters to repair to make them perfect. And so guarantee for life. Don't ever forget it. So hey, look for us on Facebook, Zippo World on Facebook, and Mr. Zippo on Facebook. Look for us there and visit just to take a look at all the different categories of Zippo lighters, Navy ships and military, Army, Navy, Marines, and all kinds of different companies from the 50s, from Chicago, Pennsylvania, Illinois, railroad theme, gas and oil theme, Monsanto, General Electric, Caterpillar, just to name a few. So Christos G, Christos G 510, Army, Navy, Marines, Coast Guard, on eBay. Take a look. It's Mr. Zippo until we meet again. Keep your wick dry.